Approval speed on cash advance apps like Possible Finance and Branch depends on how fast they can verify your bank data, confirm your income patterns, and run their internal risk checks. By the end of this, you'll know which app usually approves faster, what slows approval down, and what you can fix to get approved sooner. Start with Possible Finance. Possible Finance is a short-term installment loan app, so approval includes identity checks plus a review of your bank account activity. Most of the speed comes from how quickly your bank connection syncs, and whether your income pattern is easy to verify. Now, look at Branch. Branch works as a cash advance and banking-style app, and approval is based heavily on payroll deposits and bank transaction history. Because it focuses more on income verification, the review process can sometimes take longer if your deposit history is unclear. Next, compare initial approval flow. Possible Finance usually has a simpler application process focused on quick bank linking and identity verification. Branch often requires more complete income and employment verification before unlocking full advance access. Now, check bank connection speed. Both apps rely on secure bank linking systems, and delays often come from slow data syncing between your bank and the app. If your bank connection is unstable, both approvals can slow down significantly. Next, look at income consistency. Possible Finance can approve users with less traditional credit history, as long as bank activity is stable enough to support repayment. Branch is more dependent on steady payroll deposits, which can slow approval for users with irregular income. Now consider verification steps. Possible Finance typically completes approval once identity and bank data checks are done. Branch may add extra verification layers depending on your account profile and deposit behavior. Next, check account history. New users on both platforms may experience slower approval because there's limited financial data to analyze. Older bank accounts with steady activity usually get faster decisions. Now, compare overall speed experience. Possible Finance is generally faster for first-time approvals because the process is more streamlined around bank data and identity checks. Branch can be slightly slower because it evaluates employment and income stability more strictly before approving advances. Neither app guarantees instant approval for everyone, and both rely on automated systems instead of manual review. To sum it up, Possible Finance usually approves faster due to a simpler bank-based review, while Branch may take longer because it focuses more heavily on income verification and employment stability. Next, if you want faster approval, make sure your bank account is fully linked, your deposits are consistent, and your identity verification is complete before applying. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance comparisons, approval speed breakdowns, and finance app guides.